Election Day now just 3 weeks away, and if you want to vote, you have less than 12 hours to register. Forms can be filled out and submitted today at any supervisor of elections office, driver license office, public library, or tax collector's office. You can also register online. Instructions can be found on the state elections website. Just make sure you mail your registration by 5 o'clock this afternoon. Looking ahead, early voting begins in some Florida counties next Monday. All counties must open early voting no later than Saturday, October 29th. The deadline to request a vote-by-mail ballot is November 2nd, and of course, Election Day is Tuesday, November 8th.